guys, we got our shipment from PPG. Very excited about that. They're supporting us now, and their products are fantastic. We got the paint booth in the hangar now, so you come in here and check that out. Got a little paint mixing station. We have finished rib stitching the wings. The double cover was done. Brought it in here and sprayed a couple of coats of poly brush and then a couple of coats of poly spray, which is for UV, and also you can sand it, so it's kind of like a primer. Then I put in a green epoxy primer on it from PPG, and now I have the sections that are going to be masked red, painted red. The next step will be to mask off the checkers and spray white. Then we'll cover up the white and spray everything black. It's not going to be red or white, and then we'll put the silver graphics on the front, and we'll be doing some more videos so you can follow along in that process. I bought this paint booth about 16 years ago with my friend, and it spent that 16 years at his shop in his backyard, basically in a neighborhood. So I'd have to truck the airplanes over there and back. And so I'm really excited to have the booth here in my hangar now. Did a little upgrade. I might have overdone it a little bit, replaced all the lights. It was always a little dim with the fluorescent lights. So now it has 640,000 lumens of LED lights. It's so bright in here, I feel like I need a welding helmet on. But man, if you can't see, you can't paint, so it's all good. This is PPG, it's epoxy primer, and this will block out the UV to keep the fabric from rotting in the sun. And it also keeps microbial growth from coming through, because this will make all the gases vent into the wing instead of venting out through the finish. Had some problems in the past with the clear coat where the white turns yellow, and that's actually bacterial growth from the clear coat allowing the sun to get into the paint, and it can grow things. But this will prevent that from happening. We'll probably put a coat of clear on this and then sand it smooth and buff it, so it should come out like glass.
A little bit.
What time is it, Dave?
2:28.
Check it out. Painted the white checkers. We're up till like 3 in the morning working on this last night. What up, Dave?
What up,
What do you have to say?
Unmasking nightmare. Oh.
Trey just pulled up.
Yeah, man. Start pulling some tape off. Plenty of it.
How are we doing that masking job?
Too good.
We're going to uncover all these and do more masking over the white checkers now and paint the others black. And I'll show you what those are going to end up looking like. Here we go. P2 right here. Getting these checkers going. Alright guys, like night 3 or 4. Got all the white that was sprayed, masked off. Shout out to Carrie. She did that all day while we flew all day. Check it out. Everything's gonna get sprayed black tonight. Everything you see. will be black tomorrow. See the master at work there.